Now a quick analysis on our New Zealand dollar against our USD dollar. So before you actually dive in, I want you to just click on the subscribe button, like and share. Now on our 4 hour time frame, we'll be analyzing from our 4 hour time frame where our price will be moving for today. As you can see on our 4 hour time frame, we are going to be marking as one key level where our price can actually be reversing. As you can see, we had something like a support here. We also add something like a supporter where our price now goes bullish. Definitely, we are going to be having a reaction whereby our price will drop, react at this our key area here, which is about 0.6422. 0.6422. We are actually going to be having a drop on our New Zealand, and after a drop, we'll be having a bullish move to hit this our key area here. I want you to watch out for that. So stay away from New Zealand USD. And if you want to take your trade on New Zealand USD, then be very, very careful, because soon, very, very soon, our price will be changing direction upward. Right now, we are still dropping, by the way. We have at least 14 to 20 pips left for our price to actually reverse, take direction, changes direction. So that is why I want you to stay away from this trade. And if you have to take your trade, be very, very careful, as our price is about to change direction upward. That is on our New Zealand USD. So possibly tomorrow we can have a breakout below it. For today only, and that's exactly what I am predicting, that there's a possibly reversal movement going to be happening very soon. So that is my analysis for the day. Don't forget to subscribe, to share and like.